Do you want to get note on Instagram? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can easily get notes on Instagram. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and then here just write Instagram and just try to get the latest version of Instagram. What you all have to do, just after add you see the Instagram, what you all have to do is just click on this update tab to get the latest version. Just hit on it. So once you get the latest version of Instagram, you can close your Apple Store or Google Play and then just go to your Instagram app and then just click on your messenger icon to go to your conversation section. After that, here on the top you can see your note option. So this is how